Hello traders, today I want to record a little video about how to use NinjaTrader for NinjaTrader 8. So I usually trade renko, but it can also be traded with any other bar types. So here we have a default NinjaTrader on my right side from NinjaTrader, and I'm on a sim mode right now, on a playback mode. And the idea is behind this bounce method strategy is when price reaches 34 EMA, if there is a bounce, then you want to enter short or buy depending on the market. So let's quickly I want to demonstrate it to you. In order to enable NinjaTrader, you just go here and click on, or off. So here we have NinjaTrader on. So, and if you're using this default NinjaTrader, then you have to be manually really focused where your price is, and you have to be really fast. So let's just wait until the price will come to 34 EMA, which is this gold line, and if there is a bounce, we're gonna try to enter it with a default NinjaTrader. And again, my ATM strategy is already selected here. Oops, sorry, it's went. So like right now, price is here. If however it closes, I want to open the order in that direction. So I'm thinking it's going to, oops, see, so it went, see how fast it was. It went so fast. By the time you reacted, you were too late, and it opened in their own. It opened too late. There already was too much slippage. Let me remove these text markers so it doesn't clog our price, our chart. Let's try to maybe do it. See, okay, well, you were there, okay, but you still were a little bit too late. Like right here. See, you're thinking you got filled a little bit too late. So that's the problem if you're trading with this regular default NinjaTrader. And same thing happens on the chart, on these what you call it, it's not a volume chart. I want it to be a tick chart. Let's do just for example a 1000 tick chart on NQ. Let me again remove those markings. So let's say here, however bar closes, you will, like, if it's gonna close right there, yeah, you were okay on this one, but still you have to be really precise and really fast. So with let me show you, if you can always go to trading habitually and download the free trial for Bounce Trader, and I'm gonna show you how I solved that problem with a Bounce Trader. So you can go and download the indicator. It's a NinjaTrader. So that would be this one. You select 34. I usually prefer gold line, and I want it to be bold, So this is our 34 EMA. So see how much easier it will be. Like when it reaches the 34 EMA, all I have to do is hit buy close or sell close, and depending if the bar will close bullish, it will open buy order. If it's gonna close bearish, it's gonna open sell order, like right here. Let's assume this is 600 EMA. Okay, well, a little bit too late. Let's say I activated. See, the buy, it says buy close, it's activated. Well, it canceled. Right now, if we're gonna have a bounce from 34 EMA, even here, as soon as it opens, as soon as it closes bullish, it will open a buy order. So right now there was no signal. Let me just demonstrate for the purpose. It's gonna trail until it's going to wait until it's gonna find a buy bar, a bullish bar. See, it keeps on trailing. It's waiting until bullish bar is gonna form, and then it's gonna open buy order right there. See, my ATM is already selected. All I had to do is just hit this button. Now this was not obviously a good entry, but that was just for the demonstration purposes. So same thing is here. You know, if it's going to close like if it's going to close bullish right here, oh, it's market went too far. But if it's gonna close bearish, I'm opening sell order. See, and all I had to do is just hit this button, and then as soon as it closes, it'll activate your order. You know, see, so how that's like really fast. You know, it works with Ninja Renko, it works with time-based charts and or tick-based charts. Let's see this another chart, this one. You know, it also works with tick-based charts. So let's say this bar will, if it's going to close bearish, okay, see, as soon as it closed bearish, I gave it to order, you know, to open a sell order. So and it did, you know, it was really fast. So you know, that's the beauty of this chart trader. It's called the bounce trader. It helps you to be really fast on your entries. And like right now, like I don't trade tick-based charts or time-based charts. I trade these Ninja Renko bars. So like we're in a downtrend, obviously, and I mean, I don't do anything until, you know, price starts to be around 34 EMA. So it literally takes the stress away, a lot of it, from your trading when you trade with chart trader. Now if it's going to close, like these are good levels, if it's going to close bearish, I'm opening sell order. Looks like it wants to continue to go up until 34 EMA, but it may just go down from here. Let's see what's gonna happen. It probably wants to continue go a little bit higher, but That's the way, this is the rule-based trading. See, and all I had to do is just to activate the button, and it would open an order as soon as that bar finishes. See how quick and how precise it was? Versus you would have to be like really, it would take all of your attention being, holding your hands on these buttons. As soon as it closes, then you enter in, you enter there. You can also, now I already demonstrated buy close, trail buy. Now EMA buy and buy above. So buy above applies if the next bar will continue to be bullish, it opens buy order. Same thing with sell order. Like right now it's let's say let me just cancel it, and it's probably going to form bearish, and sell below, it will sell next right here. See, this bar, when this bar formed bearish, I told it to, if the bar closes bearish again, open sell order. So that's why, the sell below means. And EMA sell or EMA buy means when price reaches EMA, and I'm gonna show it to you. Let's just disclose. Okay, so if I hit EMA sell, it will wait until price comes back to 34 EMA, and it's not gonna wait until bar closes. It needs to touch it, that's all. As soon as it touches it, you activate sell order. It's also a handy feature of the bounce trader, because sometimes price reaches EMA really fast, and we have certain strategies how to trade it on EMA touch, but this is the button that we use. And all the the course is free until January 2nd. Bounce Trader has a free trial, and it currently has a 50% off. So you can go ahead and check it out. See, price reached 34 EMA, and then it should give a quick bounce. But anyways, that was it. That's what I wanted to show you, that EMA doesn't wait until bar closes. It activates when it touches it. So this was a loser, but it wasn't the strategy. I just wanted to show you how the buttons work. So the same thing with EMA buy. Price has to be above EMA, and you select EMA, which EMA to have a bounce. In this bounce trader, this is the 34 EMA, so that's what you are playing with. So price has to be above, has to come back to 34 EMA, touch it, and it opens an order. So let's see if this is gonna do it. Yeah, looks like it's continues to go up, but the important thing is that this button does not it doesn't cancel out like all the others are. So you need to remember to cancel it. So these are the main features of the bounce trader. You can use limit orders. If you want to avoid any slippage, you can use limit orders, or you can also use OCO orders. Basically, however next bar closes, it's going to open the order in that direction. And this OCO close, this green and red buttons, they act the same. It just, you can select each one of them, and however this bar closes, if it closes bullish, it opens buy order. If it closes bearish, it opens sell order. That's how easy it is. See, it closed bullish and it opened buy order. Yeah, so let's yeah, and same thing, it works with tick charts. Let's quickly open it up, you know. So if this bar closes bearish, which it probably will, it will open sell order as soon as it closes, you know. And later on, there will be a feature to trade with second entries strategy. But yeah, I just wanted to show you a quick overview how to use the NinjaTrader, and the difference between having a NinjaTrader, you know, enhanced NinjaTrader, this bounce trader, and the default one that NinjaTrader provides. So yeah, hopefully this was useful to you, and yeah, if you have a strategy, I think this bounce trader can be really helpful to you, because it can take a lot of stress off of you. So yeah, go ahead and check out my free course website. We have a Discord group where we trade bounce method. Yeah, if you want to learn from it, check it out. Thanks.